Would you consider dating someone with a child if you don't have a child? It depends how much you love that person. It depends. Some of the people, they don't tell you that they have got kids or she have got a child, just because maybe you are judging every time. Hey, I don't want a person with a child. So some of the people, they can hide their children. You know that maybe some of the women who don't show even their body that they have got kids, a woman can hide maybe her child is being raised by her mother. He can say, it's my sister, and he is her child. You understand? So sometimes maybe the truth maybe will sometimes, guys, a woman can lie, guys, can tell you that she doesn't have a child and she have got a child. You understand? Maybe she was pregnant at high school and she is in fear that we are going to leave. Yeah, so she doesn't want to you to know that she have got a child, and they have got a secret with their family members that don't tell my husband that this is my child, this is my sister. Even a child, when she came at your home, maybe you are married, she can say it's my sister. But sometimes, guys, the truth will come one day. You understand? Maybe that child wants to get married or something.